Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at combining integers using representations. So up until this point, we've been using integer chips or counters, which have red on one side and yellow on another. But if we don't have them, we are able to actually draw a representation that is very similar that can help us solve different problems. So if we look at the first problem, we have -4 combined with -8. So I can represent 4 negatives by showing 4 minus signs. And I'm combining that with 8 negatives, which I can represent with 8 negative signs. And since I'm combining everything, that means I'm looking at it all together. My solution is a -12. When I look at the next problem, we have -5 plus 7. Again, I can represent that first number, which is -5, using 5 negatives. And then we're combining that with +7. So I can represent +7 using 7 pluses. Now this problem looks a little different than the previous one because now I have positives and negatives, which think back are very similar to yellow and red counters. And I know a negative and a positive create a zero pair. So when I look here, I see that this positive and negative will create a zero pair. This positive and negative will create a zero pair. This positive and negative will create a zero pair. And the last two sets of negative and positive will create a zero pair. So I am left with only 2 pluses, which represents that my solution is a +2. So -5 plus 7 is a +2.